Hello everyone, I'm Hema Satish Sharma, and students, we are discussing the chapter called sound. In our previous lecture we had studied how sound is produced and how sound is produced in human beings. We had studied the structure of the larynx also. In today's class we will be studying about propagation of sound. So what is propagation? Basically, how does the sound travel? So traveling of sound is called propagation of sound. The sound is propagated by the to and fro motion of particles of the medium. So you see that what is happening, sound is energy and sound is produced whenever there is a vibration. Vibration means to and fro motion of the particle. Now, the to and fro motion of the particles of the medium. So, from this statement, we can very well understand that to propagate or to travel, sound require a medium. So, if there is no medium, like if there is no solid, no liquid, no gas, or if it is vacuum, sound will not travel. So sound needs a medium to propagate, as I told you earlier also. So a medium is necessary because to travel, sound is traveling through to and fro motion of the particle, and particles are only present when there is a medium. Either it is solid, liquid or gas. So medium is necessary. So if the matter or substance through which sound is transmitted is called a medium, it can be solid, liquid or gas, but sound cannot travel in vacuum because in vacuum there is no medium. So there is no particle and hence there will be no to and fro motion, and hence sound cannot be traveled. Now next you see sound traveling through water. If you do this activity or you will be hearing the sound of the bell, because what sound can travel through water. And many aquatic animals like dolphins and whales etc., they communicate with each other to the huge distances because sound wave can travel in water. And as you see, the speed of sound is fastest in solid, then followed by liquid, and the speed of sound is slowest in gas. So here these are few examples through which we can say that sound can travel through solids also. Like doctor is hearing your heartbeat with the help of a stethoscope, which is a solid. You can listen to the striking of the wall. So sound is coming through the wall also, right? So sound wave can travel only through matter. Sound needs a physical medium, and we hear sounds which come to us through air medium particles. So if you are able to hear me, if we are physically present in front of each other, so then you will be hearing me because the sound is propagating. The sound which I am producing is being propagated by the air medium particles. Aquatic animals communicate as sound travels through water also. So here in this slide it is being told that most of the sound we hear travel through gases such as air. Sound waves travel slowly through the air. But if we talk about liquid, sound travels faster through water than through the air, and sound waves travel fastest through the solid. In our next lecture, we will be studying about the structure of air. Thank you so much.